Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox t-shirts on mobile. First, ensure you have the Roblox mobile app and a web browser installed on your device. You'll also need at least 10 Robux in your account to cover the upload fee. Before starting, prepare an image for your t-shirt design. A square image works best. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth creation process, allowing you to move forward without interruptions. Having these elements ready saves time and ensures you can complete your design and upload it successfully. Next, let's focus on designing your t-shirt image. You can use any photo editing app on your mobile device to create or modify your design. For the best visual quality, aim for an image size of 512 by 512 pixels. This specific dimension ensures your design appears crisp and clear within the Roblox environment. Once your masterpiece is complete, save it as a PNG or JPG file. These file formats are widely supported and will maintain the integrity of your design during the upload process, making sure it looks exactly as you intended. Now, it's time to upload your creation to Roblox. Open your mobile web browser and navigate directly to the Roblox website. Do not use the app for this step. It's essential to request the desktop site version of the Roblox website to access the Create section, as this functionality isn't available on the mobile version. Once on the desktop site, select T-shirts under the Creations tab. From there, you can easily upload your prepared image file. This process ensures your design is correctly submitted to the platform. Finally, let's configure and potentially sell your new T-shirt. After successfully uploading, you'll need to give your t-shirt a clear name and a descriptive explanation. To make it available for others, enable the item for sale option. You then determine your desired price in Robux. Remember, Roblox takes a 70% commission on all sales, so factor that into your pricing strategy. Once configured, your t-shirt will be live and ready for the Roblox community to discover and purchase, allowing you to share your creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.